Ever wonder what happens after you click Buy Now? Most of us just wait for the box to show up, maybe tracking a dot on a map. But behind the scenes, your package travels through a hidden world, towering shelves, endless conveyor belts, and people working non-stop. Today, robots and smart systems help move millions of packages, making warehouses faster and more efficient. The warehouse is where the future of work is being built, one package at a time. You've probably heard the term zero-touch logistics. Sounds like a warehouse with no people, just robots in the dark, right? Not quite. Zero-touch isn't about eliminating people, it's about eliminating unnecessary, repetitive, backbreaking work. The goal: automate as much of the physical movement as possible. Instead of workers walking miles, robots bring shelves to them. The fewer times a person has to touch an item, the better. In a zero-touch system, goods move, not people. Workers become supervisors and quality control experts. They stand at stations, letting robots do the heavy lifting and long-distance running. Humans handle what robots can't, making sure the right item goes in the right box. It's a partnership. Machines handle the grunt work, people handle the judgment calls. The misconception that this is about cutting jobs. In reality, technology changes jobs. It doesn't just erase them. Physically punishing roles become safer, more skilled positions. Zero touch means fewer injuries, fewer errors, and smoother operations. It's about making work better, not making workers disappear. Technology is a tool, and the best tools help people do their jobs smarter. Zero touch is about working together, human and machine. That's the real future of logistics. If you wanted to build a robot playground, you'd design a warehouse. Warehouses are predictable, repeatable, and high value, perfect for automation. The layout is a grid, straight lines, flat floors, numbered aisles. Robots thrive here. They follow digital maps, never get lost, and don't face surprises or traffic jams. Predictability means a robot can do the same task, the same way, every time. Now think about the work. Find an item, pick it up, move it, put it down, over and over. For people that's boring and physically tough. For robots, it's ideal. Machines don't get tired or bored. They can repeat a task a million times with perfect precision. That's why robots are perfect for the dull, repetitive jobs that wear people out. And then there's value. Every second saved, every mistake avoided, saves real money. If a person picks the wrong item, it's costly. If a process is slow, it bottlenecks the whole supply chain. Robots boost speed and accuracy, working 24/7 without breaks. They don't grab the wrong size or color, and they never call in sick. The upfront cost of automation pays off quickly in efficiency and accuracy. That's why warehouses are ground zero for the robot revolution. It's not about replacing people. It's about letting machines do what they do best, and freeing humans for the work only we can do. The warehouse is the perfect test lab for the future of automation. Robots and people working side by side are changing how the world moves, and it all starts with a simple structured space. The first big leap toward zero touch wasn't a sci-fi robot, it was solving the problem of walking. In old warehouses, workers walked up to 15 miles a shift, zigzagging for every order. The fix: make shelves move, not people. Enter autonomous mobile robots. Think giant, smart Roombas. These robots slide under shelves, lift them, and deliver them to workers. Now workers stand in one place and pick items as shelves come to them. Productivity soared. Workers could fill 2 or 3 times as many orders, with less strain. Walking time shrank to seconds, not minutes. Multiply that by thousands of orders, and you see the impact. Narrower aisles mean more storage in the same space, up to 30% more. Less walking, more picking, and more value from every square foot. These simple robots didn't just save time, they changed the math of warehousing. It was a game changer, paving the way for even smarter tech, and it all started by saving steps. Robots are the muscles, but AI is the brain of the smart warehouse. AI coordinates everything: machines, conveyors, people, making thousands of decisions every second. Without AI, you'd have chaos, robots bumping into each other, orders delayed. AI acts like a conductor, keeping everything in sync. One big job: traffic control. Hundreds of robots zip around, and AI plots their routes to avoid collisions. If a robot breaks down, AI reroutes the rest instantly. No human needed. AI also decides where to store items, using sales data to predict what's needed most. Hot sellers go near packing stations. Seasonal stuff gets moved out of the way. This constant optimization makes picking faster and smarter. At packing stations, AI tells workers exactly what to pick, even lighting up the right bin. It groups orders for efficiency, saving trips, saving time. Every small improvement adds up to massive savings. AI is the ultimate manager, always learning, always improving. That's how the warehouse runs, like a well-oiled machine. With all this tech, you might think people are obsolete in warehouses. Not even close. Robots are great at routine, but get stumped by the unexpected. When a box is crushed or a package is weirdly shaped, robots freeze. Humans improvise. People solve problems, clean up messes, and handle the odd stuff machines can't. Delicate tasks, like packing glassware or inspecting produce, still need a human touch. Robots can't spot a bruised apple or wrap a gift with care. Humans bring creativity and judgment to the floor. Workers also spot inefficiencies and suggest improvements. Robots just follow orders. The best companies listen to their people to make the system better. Robots execute the plan, but people improve it. In the warehouse of the future, the most valuable tool is still a curious, engaged human mind. Machines handle the brute force, people handle the finesse. The partnership is what keeps everything running, and that's not changing anytime soon. Zero-touch logistics is reshaping the job market, not just the warehouse. Yes, some physical jobs are disappearing. Robots can walk, lift, and sort faster, but new jobs are emerging. Technicians to maintain robots, IT specialists to run the systems, data analysts to optimize everything. These are skilled, well-paying roles, right in the warehouse. The jobs that remain are safer and more engaging, less lifting, more thinking. Workers become robot coordinators and quality control experts. The work is accessible to more people, not just the young and strong. But this shift isn't always easy. Workers need training for new roles. Good companies invest in helping people learn these skills. The future isn't jobless. It's different jobs. The challenge is preparing people for what's next. Investing in skills is as important as investing in machines. That's how we build a future that works for everyone. Smart warehouses do more than save money. They ripple out to bigger benefits. Automation makes warehouses greener. Robots and smart lighting use less energy. Motion-activated lights mean you only light up where robots are working. AI packs boxes more efficiently, using less cardboard and shipping less empty space. Fewer trucks on the road means less fuel burn. Fewer errors mean fewer returns, less waste, and lower emissions. Every mistake avoided saves money and the planet. The accuracy of automation nearly eliminates costly errors. All this efficiency powers the customer experience: more choices, lower prices, faster delivery. Next-day shipping at low cost is possible because of smart warehouses. The system is designed to meet and raise our expectations. As warehouses get smarter, so does the service we receive. The benefits go far beyond the warehouse walls. It's a win for business, customers, and the environment. Why care about what happens in a warehouse you'll never visit? Because it shapes your daily life. Every inefficiency in the supply chain raises prices for you. Smarter warehouses mean lower costs, faster shipping, and more choices. That's how free, fast delivery becomes possible. It also changes how we shop. Small businesses can reach anyone, anywhere. Need a replacement part fast? Thank the smart warehouse. This convenience is powered by advanced logistics. More than just cheap, fast packages, it's a model for the future of work. Technology does the dull and dangerous. People handle the complex. Warehouses are labs for the future. What's learned there shapes the world. That's a story worth paying attention to.